Blanca and
Danny.
And we are here trying the March 2021 MunchPak. We can't wait to try these treats from all around the world.
Can't wait to see what we have this month.
We have the Crown Churros from South Korea, the Cadbury Starbar from United Kingdom, the Ulker Albeni bar cake from Turkey, the Eiffel bonbons blue raspberry from France, and the Yaokin Umaibo Norishio from Japan.
So I can't wait to try that, but let's see what we're gonna start with.
Let's dig in. Just like previous Munch Packs, our nephews Noah and Liam tried some of these treats. So as always, we're gonna see what their favorite was.
Hello, I'm Noah from Japan, and today I'm my little brother Liam.
So we're gonna start with Japan, the Yaokin Umaibo Norishio. These crunchy corn puffs are lightly salted and generously dusted with a combination of owl-soft seaweed powder and yakinori over roasted laver? Let's give this a try.
So I'm done opening the package here. And you got a nice big puff. Like a big old Cheeto puff.
All right, let's see
So
if it
I'm
tastes.
gonna crack this guy in half. And let's give you this small guy.
Yes, please.
And
Cheers. Very interesting. It kind of tastes like a Cheeto Puff, but there's definitely seaweed in there.
And there's like honey. There's a sweetness.
It's like a caramel corn.
Right. There's a caramel corn with butter, with seaweed, with Cheeto puff. Don't think this is probably something I would get often, but I'm not against it.
Yeah, although the flavors are very unique. I'm gonna say unique.
Yeah.
They're not bad. It kind of tastes like movie popcorn.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of butter, which is like movie theater
That's
popcorn.
why I'm like, I don't hate it.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Like I said, I don't dislike it at all. I mean,
I'd give it a try.
I would eat it, but it's not something I would get every time.
2.3 out of 5. Next up is the Eiffel bonbons blue raspberry from France. It has the Eiffel Tower, so that means I'm gonna like it.
Yeah. And it's blue, so.
And it's blue raspberry. They're blue little, like, gumdrops?
What's it looking like?
Let's see, do you think they're gonna be hard or soft?
They feel hard, but I feel like it's gonna be soft as we chew it, so let's find out.
Let's find out. Oh, it's hard.
Oh,
It's hard and chewy.
good.
It tastes like the bubble gum as part of the blow pops.
Yeah.
I approve.
It tastes like a Charms blue raspberry pop.
I like it. Somebody's been eyeing this one, right? Okay, who's ready to try it?
Me! If you haven't watched this, go watch it. It looks like the Mortal Kombat from January. Actually, it's not hard.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Does it taste like blue raspberry?
Yeah, but it's stuck in my teeth.
Yes, I can tell. How many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again. I'd give this like a 4 out of 5.
I'm gonna agree with that. Perfect match for me on that.
Eiffel bonbons,
Boom
blue
boom Eiffel.
raspberries.
Can't go wrong if you like Charms blow pops.
Next up is the Ulker Albeni bar cake from Turkey. I'm pretty sure it's chocolate caramel. Who's excited? It is a milk chocolate coated cocoa cake with caramel filling. What do you guys think?
Wow!
Whoa, you like it? Cheers.
Cheers. You ever had like a soft sponge cake, the Little Debbie's Swiss Miss? That's what it tastes like. A nice fluffy little cake.
I actually like this one better than the ones that we've had.
Yeah.
I think the caramel adds a little bit of flavor and it's pretty yummy. I like it.
The chocolate on there isn't dominant. It's very, it has a soft coat of chocolate. It's not that hard chocolate that you're fighting it, but it all like melts together. So
Yeah, it blends together. I think that the sponge cake is very soft and the caramel adds really good flavor to it. I'd probably give it like a 3.5 out of 5.
Yeah, I mean, I can put it up to a 4, but I would say between a 3 and a 4. So
Yeah.
3.5 would be
3.5 it is for turkey.
All right, well, turkey has been good so far along the way, so
No, we love this MunchPak because
Yeah.
it gives us a chance to try treats that we don't normally find around here from all around the world. And we love traveling, we love exploring, we love trying new things, and this helps us. So thank you so much, MunchPak.
Yes, and now we know when we see it out there when we're traveling, we can
Yeah.
grab the snack,
Get
or
this.
like, you know what, we'll skip that one and try the one next to it.
Yeah, but I mean, like we know the brands now, so whenever we're in Turkey,
You know what to get.
I am most excited to try this next one. I know Danny's excited for churros, but I'm excited for this one. This is the Cadbury Starbar. This bar made up from chocolate, peanuts, and caramel is the perfect treat. Fun fact, the name of the bar changed to Peanut Boost. Oh, that's interesting. For a small period of time, then went back to its original name, Starbar. Cadbury is a brand that makes delicious chocolate. So we know that this has a very good chance of being delicious.
Yes, and I am a nut fan, so I am actually excited for this too. So.
This feels like a Snickers.
Yep. And,
Oh, it's peanut butter Snickers.
and it's very caramel, as you can see it
Very
twisting it
gooey.
away.
Alright, I'll take this one.
Yeah, you will. Cheers.
This one's gonna be my favorite. It's so me.
Okay, let's try it.
Give me that.
It is a 5 out of 5 for me. Wow. It only takes one bite to realize this thing's delicious.
Yeah, like I had it, it tastes really fresh.
It tastes a little bit like a Snickers, but fresher. You taste the chocolates, you taste the peanuts, you taste the caramel. It all just blends well together. It is a delicious candy bar.
Yeah, that caramel is very sticky, so it has you chewing, but it's a great kind of a chew though.
It is worth it.
Yes, I give 5 out of 5 as well.
So I definitely recommend. So far, this is my favorite, and I'm gonna take another bite.
Yeah. And as you said before, you can't go wrong with Cadbury. Cadbury makes great eggs. I mean, great chocolate as well. And Cadbury eggs for Easter.
So what did you guys think of this one?
5 out of 5.
Now for the last one, we got the one that Danny wants to try, the Crown Churros. Even the name sounds pretty epic.
Yes.
These are from South Korea, and it says, you don't have to visit an amusement park to get your churro fix. These churros are light, crunchy, and have the perfect amount of cinnamon flavor. Okay, and then we have to be honest here, Danny, and say, churros at Disney parks or any theme park aren't real churros.
They are not.
I will say we haven't really tried the ones in California, and I feel like because there is a big Latin population over there, so maybe their churros are better.
And I haven't been, so I can't say for sure. But let's go ahead and try these South Korean churros.
Will these churros taste like real churros or theme park churros?
What do we know?
What do you think? Do you like theme park churros? Have you had non-theme park churros?
Understand the fact that when I tell you those are not real churros.
Danny gets the best churros at like the little Latin grocery store down in Miami that sells them for like 5 cents each.
Yeah, it's like $1 for a bag's worth, and they just make it fresh right there. So let's take a look. These guys look good.
You look good. Thank you. They look crunchy.
See some mess. Cheers.
No.
They're good? Okay. There's sugar, cinnamon sugar,
Yeah.
right? I taste the cinnamon sugar flavor. It's definitely crunchy, not so much churro texture. Like, yes, it tastes like a churro. It just tastes like a crunchy chip that has churro flavoring on it.
It tastes more like a cinnamon toast crunch attempting to be a churro.
Cinnamon toast crunch.
No, cinnamon toast crunch is one of my favorite cereals as well, just because the flavor is great. But that's what it is. It does have good flavor on there. It's obviously not a churro because it's crunchy. It doesn't have the spongy softness of a regular churro, but it is good.
I think it's a snack that you would totally pick up if we see anywhere.
If I see it and I'm in the mood for it, I'm gonna eat it. Overall, I would still say 3.
I'd give it a 3 too.
Overall, they're fine. I'll give them 2.2.
A 2.2 out of 5?
Yeah.
My top choice is still the Cadbury Starbar. So we have some more treats to try today that Danny received for his birthday from his sister Susie. Susie?
Thank you, Susie.
These were from the Hershey's Park in Pennsylvania. She got Danny a she got Danny a Reese's snack cake that we're gonna try. I love Reese's. I love chocolate and peanut butter together. It's delicious. So we're gonna try this cake today. And then she also got him some Hershey's Kisses. These are hazelnut flavor, and these are chocolate truffles inspired by Italy. Yes. I'm not gonna lie, these have already been opened, yes. But we're going to try them here with you today. We're gonna start with the Hershey's Kisses. The first one's gonna be the hazelnut.
Which is my favorite nut.
Danny loves hazelnut. So let's see, it's just a regular kiss with some hazelnut flavor.
So like any traditional kiss, it's a nice rich chocolate. But instead of having, if you had the almond ones before, it has a surprise hazelnut inside. And it's delicious. You can't go wrong with a Hershey Kiss with hazelnut.
You can't. I normally like to just let it melt in my mouth rather than bite it. But this one you definitely have to bite to get all the flavors. The hazelnut is nice and crunchy inside. So this one's delicious.
Great flavor.
Approved.
Next, we're gonna go ahead and get the chocolate truffles inspired from Italy.
Italia. Salud. It's delicious.
Yes.
It definitely melts away. And first you just taste like regular chocolate kiss, and then all of a sudden the chocolate truffle flavors come out.
Yeah, once you hit that center of it, it just pours out that like rich chocolate.
Yes, it burst with flavor. So out of the two, this is my favorite.
And I'm gonna be biased because I like hazelnut, so I'm
It's
gonna go with the
okay.
other one.
We don't have to like the same thing.
But the good thing is, that's why we each got one bag.
That means truffle for me, hazelnut
hazelnut
for
for me.
you.
And the finale. Reese's ready.
I'm ready.
Snack cakes. Alright, so let's open this guy up. It's looking like two little cakes.
One for you, one for me.
One stick for you. A stick for me.
Let's see, it feels harder than like the other cake that we had.
Right.
So let's see how it tastes. Cheers. It tastes like a softer peanut butter cup.
Yeah. So the difference on this is like the other ones are very soft and squishy, chewy. This isn't. This is more hard, dense, more traditional to being a cup, but not as hard as a cup.
Yeah,
But
I think that's what
full
it
of
is.
flavor.
Yeah, it's definitely full of flavor. It tastes exactly like a Reese's cup. It's just softer to bite into.
Just
And
not,
it's a rectangle.
Yeah. It's a stick, and it has the brownie cake or like the cake batter in there that gives it that soft fluffiness on there.
So I think it's approved.
Yeah.
I'd give this probably a 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
Yeah,
I would
still
probably
would give the Reese's cup 5 out of 5, but this is 4 out of 5.
I think I would pick this up over a regular Reese cup, but I would get the big cups over this.
You'd pick this over the regular?
This over a regular cup.
Really?
Regular
Oh,
peanut butter.
it's still
I would get the
regular.
big cup.
Yeah,
Okay,
everything. Like,
I don't really
everything
like Reese's.
loses to the big cup, because the big cup
Yeah, big cup.
deliciousness. I do want to try the fully peanut butter instead of the chocolate. You know how they have like peanut butter cups now?
Well,
So I want to try those. Maybe next time.
we'll add that on to the next stick maybe.
So we had such a great time trying the MunchPak and a few extra treats that we received. We hope that you enjoyed it as much as we do, and that if you get a chance to try these treats, make sure to try them.
Yes, thank you for joining us, and we had a great time eating these, and hopefully that our opinions match yours. If not, tell us and let us know what you guys think of
Tell
what
us
you've
when
tried.
we're wrong,
Yes.
or tell us when we're right, or tell us when you want us to try something.
And always tell us what we should be trying.
Yes. But for now, we leave you, and we want you to remember to be kind
Always.
You're excited for your next MunchPak?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Peace.